right, so here we are in our Pontiac GTA well option car. 5-liter with a 5-speed manual, T-tops, beautiful red with the dark gray interior. 12,900 miles from new. We'll warm it up a little bit and we'll be right back to you. All right, got a little temp in our GTA. Oh my goodness, really pulls well. Gearbox, clutch, feels really good. Nice solid car, even with the T-tops, not squeaking or rattling at all. Really one of those time warp examples. Brings me back to the 80s. Really reminiscing about this was the car to have. GTA was so hot when it came out. It's always that fight between the IROCs, GTAs, and the Mustangs. But in my opinion, the Trans Ams were my favorite of the bunch. All right, we'll come up here. We'll do a couple flybys for you.